Hey, and welcome back to another video in my eBay parts repair playlist, the playlist of videos where I go on eBay and purchase broken electronic items and try and fix them on camera. What we have today is this. It's an HTC 7 Surround, I think that's what it's called. I really can't remember either. I think it runs Windows 7.1. Does it run Android? I really can't remember because I bought this phone while half asleep. Because it was on sale. It was like for like $4.5 or something. You'd have seen it earlier. It was really cheap with free shipping from a seller who I've bought from before. Actually, that Sony phone that I repaired once, the Xperia God damn it, I forgot what the Xperia M2 Aqua. Yeah, the Xperia M2 Aqua that I bought was from that same seller. And if you can find that video on my channel if you want to see that. But before we jump, sorry about that, I ran out of space on my phone. But before we jump right into this, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. Also hit that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Instagram, Discord, and Twitter, and you can follow me on those using the links down in the description below. I post teasers and behind the scenes and many other things that I don't post on YouTube to those, so you can find me on those. Let's get into this. So this phone, when I was buying it, kind of intrigued me because I saw the price, because I don't search by phone, I search by price. I was thinking, is there like a cheap project that I could mess around with for like less than $5? And there was a BlackBerry Priv, and there was some other stuff. But then I saw this phone. The Blackberries are just usual boring ass Blackberries, but this phone I saw, it has a special feature to it. It has a slide out speaker, a slide out stereo speaker, which is quite unusual. Usually you would slide out a keyboard, but this thing has a slide out stereo speaker. So I just want to see what this is all about. It's not a special phone apart from its speaker system, but I guess that was its main selling point. There aren't many of them around, so I'm assuming it didn't sell that well, because basing the whole phone off like the speaker quality is not a great idea. I'm pretty sure it runs Windows. Yeah, it runs Windows. There's the Windows logo. I'll have to blur that out, that person's information is there. Alright. HTC Surround, AT&T, defective, doesn't turn on. I think he said there's a bad power port as well. Physically looks good. Man, that phone is heavy. That's easily about 220 grams. It's really heavy. And that's the speaker slide out thing, so it doesn't slide properly either. There's a bit of give to it. I think there's a button that disengages the speaker. So, Windows Phone 7, Dolby Surround, of course, it's got to have Dolby. The grill covering the flash is gone. Dedicated camera button. Power button up top. Let's see if it has it. Obviously, it's not going to turn on. He has listed it as broken. Let me get a charging port. Charging cable. Plug it in. I think it said bad charging port as well. And we take the back off this thing. I think we can. Yes, we can. Standard early HTC battery. Come on out. I think my tester battery is similar to this battery. Let me find that. Where's my... I think... Is that... No, that's an LG battery. Oh, here it is. So this tester battery is the exact same size as that LG. Because this tester battery came with one of my... With my... what is that? One of the HTCs. So let's plug this in and we see if it... Oh, damn. What happened here? Look at the battery pins. Look at them. They're all damaged. That sucks. It's like someone took a knife and went at it. Because if you do that with the battery, that's not gonna damage the pins. Someone's damaged the charging, the battery pins. Oh, that's a lot of damage. Alright, so we're definitely gonna have to take this thing apart, so we'll be right back. Okay, so let's get into this. It has never been opened, the warranty sticker is still there. Okay, that's out. Where's the damage? There we go. So that's the damaged port. We might have to replace that. Let me try. Oh, it has a water damage indicator triggered, but I don't think that's actually water. Probably over time, just damage. Damn, let me try and bend these back together. Stay there. Stay. Okay, that one's okay. Come on. I don't think... probably they're bent on the inside as well, so... not a great fix. I could have done this without taking it apart, but... it looks okay, I guess. Who would do this, though? Unless it was like a kid and this was his dad's old phone and dad's like, take it. And this kid just jabbed at it with the... that or it broke. And the kid got mad that it doesn't turn on. And did this. I don't know. Will that work? Let's see. That battery is charged. Oh yeah, it vibrates. There we go. Nice. Perfect. So that's a quick fix. Really quick fix. Let's see what this thing is like. Okay, so this thing for... hold up, I gotta check something else out. Oh no, that was something new. I thought, like, though I erased it, I thought the photos on this was still there. So, Windows 7.1, I guess, let me check. About Windows 7, no, it's just Windows 7, so it's the base. I don't think this thing ever got an update. Touchscreen works, everything works. Basic, early Windows OS. This is probably actually a good thing, like having a copy of the first Windows Mobile 7 or Windows 7 Mobile or whatever you want to call it. So the speaker, let's talk about the main reason anyone would have wanted to buy this phone back in the day. It's a speaker, and it has got this stand-like thing too. Look at that. So you open it like that. You can see you open it like that, and it's a really nice premium feeling stand. There's a lot of dirt here. I gotta clean that later. I'm not gonna do it on camera. You hold it like that. Wait, no. Oh. No, you put it like that, it stays. It's been on the charger for a while, so I'm assuming I can pull it out of the charger. Battery critically low. I'll put it back on the charger right after this. So it can stay like that because of that stand. So I'm going to go and try and connect it to the internet, see if we can fire up some YouTube and play something off these speakers. So what I'm trying to do now is get this thing to play a video. I barely loaded YouTube here. Well, not YouTube, the browser. It doesn't even load Google properly, so you can imagine what it's like. I searched for my channel and I'm trying to play one of my videos, but it's not really loading here, because it would be nice to test out these speakers, but doesn't seem to help here. So I guess we'll just have to demo these speakers, because obviously that's the main reason this phone exists. We'll have to demo these speakers using their own built-in ringtone. So ringtones and sounds. Let's see, electro. Slide this bad boy out. I have to check the mechanism. It's not really smooth. There's probably some gunk in there restricting it. I'll do that later. So wonder what this does. Is that like a bass boost or something? Let's see. So dance. I think that's a bass boost. I don't know. Let's see how loud it gets. Yeah, that's super loud. Let's do guitaring. What does this do? Does it turn it off? I don't know. I think it's a slight bass boost. I'm not sure. Yeah. That's a loudspeaker. It's not that great by today's standards. By back in the day, it's probably one of its best, if not the best. I don't know. That's super loud. That's max volume. But yeah, speakers work. Everything else seems to work. There's a bit of something under the display. As you can see, there's a bit of discoloring. I don't know if that's picking up, but there's a bit of discoloring, but it's no big deal. You can clean that up later. It's just due to its age, stuff has got under the reflective panel inside the LCD. But yeah, I guess there's nothing much else to say about this phone. It's just a basic phone. It's just main selling point. Sorry, I kind of ran out of space there, but what I was going to say was there's nothing much else to do with this phone. I mean, apart from its speakers, it's just a basic Windows 7 mobile phone. The camera is somewhat decent, I'd say. For its time, it's got a double click shutter button, dedicated shutter button, so let's keep that there. Stay there. Okay. So we got press halfway to focus. No, wait, what am I doing? Okay. So we got press halfway to focus and click to take a photo. So the camera is decent. I had a look at it earlier. It's decent photos. I put some on the computer. But yeah, there's nothing much else to say about this phone. It's pretty basic. And speakers are nice. And I kind of repaired it. I just bent the pins back. $4.5. It's a decent addition to my collection. Probably had to find a piece of plastic for that. But yeah, I guess that's nothing much else to say. So I guess that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.